Homegrown herbs, nature's flavor in your backyard. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic, homegrown herbs. These are not just any herbs, they are grown right in your home or garden, adding a personal touch to your cooking and lifestyle. Let's explore what makes homegrown herbs special and how you can start growing them too. First, let's break down the term homegrown. This phrase implies something grown at home, rather than bought from a store. It suggests a personal, hands-on approach to cultivation. Homegrown items are usually nurtured with more care and attention than commercial products. Now, let's talk about herbs. Herbs are plants with savory or aromatic properties, typically used to flavor food, in medicine, or for fragrances. Examples include basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme. Each herb has its unique taste and use in different cuisines around the world. Growing herbs at home has numerous benefits. Freshness. Homegrown herbs are fresher and often more flavorful than store-bought ones. Health. You control the environment, ensuring they are grown without harmful chemicals. Convenience. They are readily available whenever you need them. Joy of gardening. There's a special satisfaction in using herbs that you've grown yourself. Starting your herb garden is easier than you might think. You need a small space in your garden, balcony, or windowsill. Basic gardening tools like pots, soil, and a watering can. Herb seedlings or seeds, which you can find at a local nursery or online. Remember, different herbs have different sunlight and water needs, so do a little research on each herb you plan to grow. Here are some tips to ensure your herb garden thrives. Regular watering. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Sunlight. Most herbs need about 6 hours of sunlight per day. Pruning. Regularly trim your herbs to encourage growth. Patience. Some herbs take longer to grow than others. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own herb garden and enjoy the many benefits of homegrown herbs. Not only will they enhance your cooking, but they'll also bring a piece of nature into your home. Happy gardening and see you in our next video.